in whether this video, Metroma can share button, can share on this video. Go. As usual, my attention has been drawn to a circulating video alleged by somebody concerning the DSS on ground, Ngor-Okpala. Go. That is aim once again. Go. To always try to put the name of Zion Ministry into question. Now, I ask a question. Because Nande security non a checkpoint, Ngor-Okpala, there are so many checkpoint, police checkpoint, security checkpoint, Ngor-Okpala. So because Nande security non a checkpoint, misagreement or misunderstanding among them, and the fact, what does that have to do with Zion ground? I am telling you, what does that have to do with Zion ground? Why do you have problem with the security being na Zion ground? Ebe manana sinking over egone. Do you know how many millions that is going down Ngor-Okpala eba? You don't want security to be there? Or each of the people be constitutions around that place. The security should fold their hands because now security men are not and the father alone. Security men are not and the father alone and newi. And who says that it's a must that security men need not newi? Ya unde newi. Na ya Ndigbo. Who said so? It's a question that I am asking. So this is just to debunk the lie once again. This is to debunk the lie once again. And when any casualty at all, na Zion ground or whatever security that is attached to or if on when any casualty, also one onya sine nwelu. Nya jeba je gosi ayi, we want to see. Nya jeba je gosi ayi, we want to see. Because Nande security mount all somewhere when misunderstanding, when accidental discharge. Must you link it to Zion? I am asking, must you link it to Zion? Why are you seated waiting for downfall of a ministry that is going higher, higher, and higher? Why? What ask for no na kana aswana? Onye jiji ana konyeji. Iwatago. Ojofo yana. One of obi jishasara unu ni n'ofo. O jishasara unu ni n'ofo. And the contrary or in a reverse to whatever that has been said. Ọwụlụ na enwa anwa apụta ịbịa n'ọgụ iji ha ọfọ na-ekwewu na ana na-eri isi mmadụ. Ana na-eri isi mmadụ ịma na gbalagbala fele oke ọwụla ala. Ịma na gbalagbala fele oke ọwụla ala. And agwọ emeghị ife o ji wee wụla agwọ ụmụazị ewolu ihe wee kee nkụ. Agwọ emeghị ife o ji wee wụla agwọ ụmụazị were wee kee nkụ. Gbalagbala fele oke ọwụla ala. Onye ọ na-akpuo n'ime, onye ọwụna na-akpuo obe ihe etinyekwa m mkpu a ka ezu ugo ka onye fụrụ Igbo n'anya fụ nwanne anyị fụ ụmụnne anyị niile n'anya anyị achọ ka o nwee any of our brothers battle into trouble. I am saying this na kpuo onye nwa na-ebe ọwụla ahụ nya je chiri akwa. Onye mara ebe ọwụla ahụ nya je chiri akwa. Gbalagbala fere oke ọwụla ala. It is now becoming too much. It is now becoming too much. And I hope that people are seeing what is happening. Just to clarify you people on it, just to clear this particular propaganda once again. And when any casualty na Zion ground, no security attached to project any issue, but rather the police man to checkpoint, the security man to checkpoint, when misunderstanding there, and where accidental discharge. Now it has nothing to do with Zion and it has nothing to do with the I don't know why you people are enjoying this controversy you are building. I don't know. Now, you have a lot of things to do. Why can't you go? Why you jinamo go kalelego? Why you jinamo go kalelego? Why you juenamo go kalelego? Among case, Okoko na akpa nni anyu fi akone I just say I'm going because now man if I na-eme hapụta he create a panic achọ ka ewo panic ahụ he create we shine no only say na the security men no do attached to Zion that they are not DSS officers like you are saying. Why can't you go to the police and report them? Are you trying to tell me now that Zion or Evangelist Kobe can quasi the whole police commanded in Imo State or Nigeria? I'm asking you. Now those guys are not DSS officials. And no one wanna confirm, go. Why can't you go and get them arrested? Are you trying now to tell me that now Evangelist Kobe or Zion Ministry carry the whole police commanding on Imo State? Carry and on the whole Nigeria? Omoma awaho je yirikwa kwa yo amonna ma totali ya anyasa onye ona gburukwa anya o makana gbala felo oke awolala gbala felo oke awolala adan ha amokwa na amasi ike oge o yeru ono mo onye nwo onye kwurukwa pụta agwakwa ngo na mu mara okwa mmiri ya ama before zowe o nwere ife meru na Zion. Let it be clear. When you family na Zion, rather, like I said, there will misunderstanding among security men mount roadblock. A way accidental discharge, a way casualty. Has nothing to do with Zion ground and has nothing to do with security men attached to Zion ground. Share this video.